Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Carissa.
I want to ask you something, ma'am.
Yes?
What are they all doing right now, ma'am?
Okay, they are now cleaning our school because we will have a guest from Singapore. They are junior high school students from Regent Secondary School. They will visit us next week on Tuesday, 7th May.
Okay, then. A student from Singapore? That
Yes,
sounds
that's right.
interesting. Okay, then. I will help them. Thank you for the information,
Okay,
ma'am.
let's clean together.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Oh my god, can you see today is a very busy day? SMP 4 Surabaya is preparing the school environment because there will be a visit from Singapore Regent School next week. Come on, let's check it out, guys.